you ever wondered what is in the inside of the Creality Ender-3 V3 KE? In this video, I'm going to reveal you where you can find the Raspberry Pi. And it's not where you think it is. Right here on Zachary's 3D Prints. Hey, Zach here. A few months ago, I received the Creality Ender-3 V3 KE. And during the live stream, I did an unboxing. I assembled the whole 3D printer. I printed several things with this 3D printer. And you know, I have made many videos about this 3D printer, how to add it to Cura Slicer, how to do certain things, especially for the people that were interested how to load filament onto this 3D printer. But there is this one question that I always were thinking about. Where is the Raspberry Pi? It's an obvious question, and I know that you are also eager to know. And for this purpose, I'm going to show you how and where the Raspberry Pi is located within the Creality Ender-3 V3 KE. When I opened the 3D printer, there are several screws around the edge, straightforward. There's also one somewhere in the middle. You unscrew it, and then be careful when removing the bottom plate, because the flat ribbon cable is also a part of this underside. So if you are taking this 3D printer apart for the purpose of upgrading this 3D printer, the ribbon cable is slide on the inside of this metal plate. So be careful not to cut your fingers, but also not the ribbon cable. So once this plate is removed, you can take it away and you can see the controller board, some wires, stepper motor for the Y-axis, and also the power supply unit. So that means that somewhere should be a Raspberry Pi. Now take a close look to the left side. There you will see a controller board like they always have of the Creality 3D printers. There I didn't see anything like USB ports, no network or Ethernet port, nothing. And where you thought there was an SD card slot and a USB connection for upgrading or flashing the firmware for the controller board, no, there is also no USB connector. So take a close look to this controller board and how it looks like. It might help you for the future. So there's one cable running from the controller board to the display. So if the Raspberry Pi isn't on the controller board or close to the controller board, then there should be one in the display. Well, after taking it apart, you will see exactly that there are 4 screws on the sides, and be careful when taking the cover off because it's a snap fit, so you don't want to break anything. I took the cover off and there I uncovered the backside of the display. And what do you know? The Raspberry Pi or the computer is right there. So take a close look to the USB connections, to the USB-C connector on the backside. If you want to upgrade the KE with a camera, an AI camera, there should go the USB connector. If you made it this far in this video, thank you. You are amazing. Please like this video and subscribe if you are not subscribed. And I will see you in the next one. Hey, and check out this video right over here. Come, check it out. You'll love it.